stronger approach would be explain a key finding and then pause and ask either like, does that make sense? Or even better, how does that line up with how you've been feeling? Or what do you think's happening? We never really asked them many meaningful questions. Then they get a lot more points because we're losing points. And so then we get to that final piece and we ask for the money and they're not emotionally connected. And then they give us all sorts of whatever the excuse of the day for them, whatever they feel most comfortable telling us. I have to think about it. That's a lot. I don't have the money. Yeah, sounds good. Let me go, or if the spouse isn't there or if they're not married, well, let me go talk to somebody else. Right? They shouldn't have to talk to another doctor or their college kid. They should be able to make their own decision if they've made their own decision because of the questions you ask, right? Day 2, you recapped her case, tied it to limitations, explaining the x-rays. You did a good job involving husband, tightening things up mainly in pacing and simplicity. There were moments again where you kind of layered a lot of information information, disc degeneration, stenosis, scoliosis, inflammation, cortisol, gut health, but it was all in a sequence without pausing to let her process or respond. So stronger approach would be explain a key finding and then pause and ask either like, does that make sense? Or even better, how does that line up with how you've been feeling, or what do you think's happening? If that's happening to the joints and the disc space, what do you think's happening to the nerves there? They're being pinched? Yeah, and then what is happening there? Well, it's causing my headaches? You're damn right it is. So what do you think we need to do about it? Well, I don't know. You're the doctor. No, but I mean, if this is this, and this is this, and this is happening, then what's the solution? Oh, well, we have to do this, this, and this. Yeah, exactly. So that's the plan that I built for you. It's all about getting them to verbally agree and building ownership for themselves instead of just listening.